Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. Start off by removing the top cutlery drawer, also known as a vario drawer. There's a side support on either side. These ensure the cutlery drawer rolls along the guide rails smoothly. To remove, hold one of the wheels and pull away from the drawer. These can sometimes be stiff. Unpack your new side supports. They're denoted here for either side. L1 means left side and R1 means right side. It's the same process for either side. Line up the slot on the side support with the frame of the drawer. Then click firmly into place. Reattach the cutlery drawer by lining up the side supports with the rails. Give it a test to make sure it slides in and out smoothly. And that's it! Your new dishwasher cutlery tray side supports are all set to go.